Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to review one of the very important college under WBJI, that is the IEM, Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. So after watching this video guys, you will get clear cut idea about this college, what is the cutoff of this college, what is the placement scenario of this college, infrastructure, campus life and faculty members. So you will get every detail about this college. So make sure to watch the video guys completely, okay? So before moving to the video guys, if you are new here to my channel, must join my WhatsApp group, especially the WhatsApp group for the WBJ 2023, because guys, there you will get all types of important updates related to WBJ 2. Okay, and you can also join my Telegram channel because you will get their notes after getting into the college too. So that will not helpful only in getting you college, but also after getting into college. Okay, so make sure to join that group guys. Okay, so now let us start the review guys. Okay, so IEM, Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. So first of all guys, let me tell you that what are the important things or point that I'm going to cover in this video. I've already said that I will tell you about the campus, about the infrastructure, very important thing, that is the placement, cutoff and how to get into this college. Okay, because many students have doubt that what is the scenario of this college, means what is the condition, or you can say what is the eligibility criteria for getting into this college. So I will tell all things, and last I will tell you about the pros and cons of this college. Okay, so let me start the first about the campus view guys. So this is actually the campus view of the IEM, and since this college is located in Kolkata, so this have a very little campus. Okay, though some of the YouTuber, or you can say some of the members, say this is the topmost college, but according to me this is the second most private college, engineering college in Kolkata. Reason guys about the campus, because campus is very little. Okay, and you will enjoy a little bit campus life guys. Okay, though there are some other condition that is very good in this college that I will talk in the later. Okay, so in terms of campus guys, not much more good. Okay, coming to the next things about the approval and recognition. So yeah, this college is approved by the AICT, All India Council of Technical Education, recognized by the UGC University Grant Commission and affiliated to Macau, that is the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. Okay, you can also get the some of the recognition of this college too. Okay, and this college also got 3.2 NAC grade, that is very fine for any college guys. Okay, so this is some detail about the recognition. Coming to the next very important things about the course. So what are the course that is offered by the IEM? Okay, so these are the some of the popular BTech UG course uh, that is basically given, or you can say offered by the IEM. First is the BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, that is the CSI, famous branches, and there are some other branches, that is the CSE in specialization. Okay, such as the Internet of Things, machine learning, data science. Okay, so these are some of the specialized course to offer by the IEM. Coming to the next branch that this college offer, that is the IT. So this college offer IT, information technology, EC, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering too. Okay, so these are some of the important course that is offered by this class. Okay. Coming to the next very important things about the facilities. What are the various facility available? So yeah, all types of basic facility available in this college, such as the central library with more than you can say 15 to 20,000 books, seminar hall, have a medical center, cafeteria. Okay, and hostel guys, about the hostel, if I talk about the hostel, so this have, you can say, no hostel. Okay, but this college have a collaboration with some of the private, you can say mess or PG, so where you can get the hostel. Okay, but I will suggest that if you wanna take hostel, then you must have to take private hostel, or you can say private PG or mess. That will be good for you. Talking about the sports and game guys, so little bit sports and game facilities, since there is a little campus. ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ, कैंपस बहुत छोटा है तो स्पोर्ट्स गेम बहुत कम होता है, बट या कभी कभी स्पोर्ट्स गेम होता रहता है इन कोलैबोरेशन विद अदर कॉलेज। ओके, क्योंकि IEM का और भी एक दो कैंपस है। ओके, so this is all the facilities available, and some of the other infrastructure also you can get. That is, yeah, since this is engineering college, so it have appropriate number of lab, medical center में ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ। ओके, बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स के लिए हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी है। बस मैं बता चुका हूँ दैट यू हैव टू take the, you can say, private, not the college hostel guys. Okay, and some of the other things too that is important, that this college provide the internship too, means internship held to the student, so that is good, जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा भाई, क्योंकि internship support भी provide करता है college. Okay, besides that, some of the scholarship also provided by this college too. Okay, and remaining are same guys at all things. Okay, talking about the faculty members, so yeah, most of the faculty members are PhD degree holders, some of them are also from the IIT graduate. So in terms of faculty member too, this is one of the finest college guys. Okay, coming to next, this is the financial aid assistant, that I think that you are very well aware that there are means TFW course available. Okay, means 5% seats are reserved for the TFW seats, and other financial assistance available too, such as Swami Vivekananda scholarship and other scholarship you can avail. Okay, that is almost in every WBJ college. Okay, Now coming to the guys very important thing, placement, because you know guys placement is very important for any student. Okay, so in terms of ROI, that is the return of investment, this college good. Okay, because guys I will come to later that what is the fee structure. So actually the fee structure is little bit high. Okay, and you can say costliest WBJ college. Okay, so जितना भी WBJ कॉलेज देख ले सबसे कॉस्टली यही है. ओके, एंड दैट इज अबाउट 6 to 7 लाख गाइस. ओके, फी थोड़ा ज़्यादा है बट ROI आपको ठीक ठाक मिल जाता है. ओके, and here you can clearly get the in terms of percentage that 95 to 100% for CSE IT students. Okay, and 75 to 80% you can say particularly for the specialization or IT students. Okay, 80% in EC, but according to the trend, as you know, as you go to the down branch, that is the mechanical, electrical, then you will clearly see the degradation in the placement. Okay, so placement भी बहुत कम होते रहता है. Okay, I will suggest that yeah, go up to EC, okay, or specialized courses, but don't go for the mechanical too. Okay, rather going for the mechanical or you must have to choose some other good options such as the Haldia, AOT, and other things too. Okay, and what the company will visited. So guys, yeah, this is one of the topmost college. So almost every company, especially the IT company visited in this college, such as the Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, okay, Tech Mahindra. So various company visited. Okay, beside you can clearly visualize HP, Godrej, and various important company visited too. Okay, so in terms of placement, guys, very fine, and ROI is good. Okay, अगर कोई प्लेसमेंट में रेटिंग देना चाहेगा गाइस, आई विल गिव 4.5 रेटिंग आउट ऑफ 5. ओके, so this is all things, and I have already said that this have a separate training cell, and every college have a separate training cell for especially focusing on the placement, and placement start from the 6th semester onward. Okay, so from the last third year you will available for the placement, and they will provide full support. That's why almost every student get placed, especially for the CSE and IT too. Now very important thing is that how to get into this college and eligibility criteria too. So eligibility criteria guys, that is the about 60%. So 60% must for getting into this college. Okay, and you can get into this college through the WBJ, SELECT और JEE Main. Okay, so आप WBJ से आ सकते हैं जो कि most of the seats filled, that is 80%, and 10% seat from the SELECT and 10% JEE Main. Beside that you can also get into this college through the direct admission or you can say management quota. अगर आप इस कॉलेज में डायरेक्ट एडमिशन या मैनेजमेंट कोटा के थ्रू जाना चाहते हैं, देन फील फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट हियर. ऑल डिटेल्स आर प्रोवाइडेड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. वहाँ से आप हमें व्हाट्सएप से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, आई विल प्रोवाइड फुल सपोर्ट इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट दिस कॉलेज एज ए डायरेक्ट एडमिशन. ओके, या फिर ये कॉलेज या कोई भी कॉलेज आप लेना चाहते हैं WBJ कॉलेज थ्रू डायरेक्ट एडमिशन, देन फील फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट अस गाइस, वी विल प्रोवाइड फुल सपोर्ट. ओके, एंड रिमेंबर गाइस 10% सीट्स रिजर्व फॉर द JEE Main. तो JEE Main से थ्रू अगर आप जाना चाहते हैं, बहुत टफ है इस कॉलेज में जाने के लिए कंपेरेटिव टू WBJ. नाउ गाइस दीज आर द सम फी स्ट्रक्चर. आप देख सकते हैं फी स्ट्रक्चर कितना तगड़ा है. ओके, और द 5.4 लाख आई हैव ऑलरेडी से, बट दिस विल गो अप टू मीन्स वेरी फार. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं मीन्स फर्स्ट जब आप एडमिशन लेंगे देन यू हैव टू पे फॉर द जनरल स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू पे 94,000 और 96,000 अप्रोक्स टू, एंड फॉर द TFW candidates 54,000. that is very high guys. Okay, so you can clearly visualize for the second semester, third semester onward you have to pay 75,000. तो आप अप्रोक्स अगर जोड़ेंगे then you will clearly get that 6 to 7 lakh will be in the whole BTech year. Okay, that is the first, second, third and fourth year. So this is the fee structure guys. Now talking about the cutoff, since it is the topmost private college, so cutoff is also high, and if you have a all India rank within the 2500 or 2600, then you can easily get CSC. Okay, and if you are TFW candidate, then you have to be under 3600 or 500. Okay, for the EC you can clearly visualize 7800 के अंदर ही वही सीट भर जाता है. ओके, एंड दिस में फ्लक्चुएट +100 और -200. ओके, IT can clearly visualize 4,000 since this is these are the topmost branches, so you will clearly see the cutoff is very high. Okay, remaining cutoff you can clearly visualize guys. Okay, now talking about the last thing, that is about the pros and cons of this college guys. Okay, so what is the pros and what is the cons of this college? So pros things like that, especially this college provides good support for the internship, also have a good placement. Okay, and talking about the cons guys, so this college is very strict, have a dress code, and important things like that you can't opt for the hostel too. Okay, so these are the some cons and pros of this college, and I hope that your all doubt regarding this college clear. If you have doubt related to any things, या आप मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ, अगर आप डायरेक्ट एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं इस कॉलेज में, देन आप हमको फील फ्री टू आस्क एनी थिंग्स. ओके, वी विल प्रोवाइड फुल सपोर्ट टू यू. आई होप इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू. मस्ट लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड हु आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन WBJ. ओके, टिल देन बाय बाय, मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. जय हिंद.